Bronchial growth. Hello. Hello.
अस्सलाम सर।
वालेकुम सलाम.
सॉरी सर, वो टीचर एकदम से बोले कि एक और क्लास लेते हैं।
Okay, no problem. We continue our class without wasting of time. We are
जी
now
सर।
in limit comparison test. We have already did 4 problems, I think 4 or 3
जी,
problems maybe.
लास्ट प्रॉब्लम रूट करे थे सर।
Okay, this is the next question. Test the convergence of summation root of n by n square plus 1. Summation value given means, what is this meaning of this one? Nth term of the given series will be given. Understood?
जी सर। यस।
Now, for your convenience, let me write it this value clearly. Can we write like this? N to the power of root means what? It's power 1 by 2 whole divided by n square plus 1. Right now?
जी सर।
Now from un we are choosing vn. And I gave you the hint how to choose it. Taking the highest power of n from the numerator, that is n power 1 by 2, and the highest power of n from the denominator, it means it is n power 2. If I am simplifying this 1 by 2, this 2 will goes to the numerator, becomes n to the power of minus 2, which can be written as n to the power of 1 by 2 minus 2. How much it is? It is minus 3 by 2. You know how to use the
यस।
calculator for this? Do you have a calculator?
माइनस। जी
Scientific
सर है।
calculator is there with you, right? Okay.
जी
Sometimes
सर।
it's necessary. You should, when you have a class now, the calculator also should keep with you, nearby you. Okay.
ओके सर।
So let us go for a check another information, which means that limit n tends to infinity un by vn value. Un by vn
वीएन
value,
वैल्यू सर।
which is equal to limit n tends to infinity. Our un value will be to the power of 1 by 2 all divided by n square plus 1 multiplied by the second fraction will become reverse. It means that it is becomes 3 by 2 n power 3 by 2 by 1, which is also can be written as limit n tends to infinity. We know that already when the bases are equal, power should be added. It is 1 by
जी
2
सर।
plus 3 by 2 and divided by n square plus 1. If I am taking n square common, what is left of?
इफ एन
1
स्क्वायर इज
plus
टेकन काउंट 1
1
प्लस।
plus 1 by n square is left off here, right? Now, what is the
जी सर।
simplification of the numerator value? Limit n tends to infinite. When the bases are equal, power should be added. 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 means nothing but 2 only. By n square into 1 plus 1 by n square. Is that okay?
जी सर।
This n square cancelling out with this n square. Later on, we can just apply the limit. Apply the limit means what? Wherever 1 by n is there, we can put 0, as well as wherever 1 by n square is there, we can put 0. If you want, I will write it once again as n tends to infinity, 1 by n tends to 0, 1 by n means n power 1 tends to 0, moreover 1 by n square also will become 0. So these two values are become 0. So then what is left of? I think we don't have the space. काम करेंगे इसको यहीं पे फिनिश कर देंगे. तो अंडरस्टैंड नाउ, ये स्टेप की जरूरत नहीं है, आप एग्जाम में भी
जी सर.
मैं भी लिखे तो भी नो
हाँ हाँ.
प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. ओके ना?
जी सर. हाँ.
So when you apply the limit, we are getting, what is the answer we are getting? One only, no?
जी सर.
One only, which is not equal to 0.
Applying limit.
Okay, not equal to 0. We can also say that it's a finite number, finite value, finite number, right? Finite number.
जी सर.
So then by, we should write our statement. By, what is the statement of this limit comparison test? Limit comparison test. What do you say in short form?
Compare
Summation
test.
un and
Summation
summation
un, summation vn
behave same.
behave same.
Converges or diverges together means behave same.
जी सर.
But what is summation vn? What is that value? 1 by n to the power of 3 by 2 है ना?
3/2. जी सर. फिर वो p से कंपेयर करते सर.
Exactly. We are comparing with
तो p
1 by n
p
power.
is 3.
Yes. So P is equals to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means definitely greater than 1. 1.5 is greater than 1. So by P test, Vn convergent. What do you say? Therefore, by P test,
by p test.
summation Vn convergent, which implies that summation Un also
Convergent.
convergent. So summation Un convergent means therefore summation, what is that value? Root of n by n square plus 1. ये है ना अपना क्वेश्चन? n square plus 1 is convergent.
जी सर.
This is convergent. That's it. Which is the end of this problem. Okay. Just see 1 minute. If you want to ask any doubt related to this problem, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can move on to another question. Assalamu alaikum.
जी सर. सर डाउट्स नहीं है सर ये क्वेश्चन में.
Okay, we'll move on to the next question. ये थोड़ा अलग ढंग का क्वेश्चन आपके लिए, but this is also another important question. Let us do it now. Solution. Can you tell me what is our UN value here?
un value sir.
What is that? Root over
Just the
n
sigma
to the power
root
of
n
4 plus
power of
1
4 plus 1
minus
minus whole
n to the
root
power
n
of
to the
4
power of minus 1.
minus 1. For my convenience, can I write like this divided by 1 also?
जी सर.
Yes. So now what actually we are going to do? We are going to check whether this type of series is convergent or divergent. To check it, we are going to write down the value of Vn from Un. Now, if you see, the question will look like little complicated. We are unable to choose Vn value from Un. For that confusion, what I'm going to do, I am going to simplify this value of Un. I am going to rationalize because we have a root here in the numerator. इसको rationalize करके solve करेंगे. N to the power of 4 plus 1 minus n to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 1 already we have here multiplied by rationalizing factor, you know क्या होता है इसका rationalizing factor? Rationalizing, you know,
rationalizing factor root sir. Whole root
wherever
and
yeah
4
minus
plus.
है ना, you will get plus here.
जी. जी
That
सर.
is n to the power of 4. Did you heard before about the rationalizing factor?
जी सर. कराऊं.
Okay, that is n to the power of 4 plus 1 plus root of. Acha, the question what we are going to discuss here, these questions you did in your classroom?
Sir, हाँ sir, I think like
Un is equals to now you see it is in the format of a minus b into a plus b format. What is that formula?
जी
What is this formula? A minus b. If I am assuming this is a minus b, this is a plus b. What is this becomes? A plus b
plus
into a minus b. What will be the answer of this one? It is equal to
जी
a square minus b square. Clear?
जी sir
Yes. So a square means it will be like this. A square n to the power of 4 plus 1 whole square. This is a square minus b square over n to the power of 4 minus 1. It is also whole square. And denominator, what I am doing here is, if I am multiplying with 1, I am getting the same answer again. It means n to the power of 4 plus 1 here plus root over n to the power of 4 minus 1 here. Clearly? Any doubt in this?
जी
No
no
doubt.
sir,
Square and root will be cancelled, as you know that
no doubt.
square and root will be cancelling out. This will be cancelling out. And we are left with un value is equal to, what we are left with? N to the power of 4 plus 1. We operate this bracket with minus sign. Multiplying with minus, open the bracket. N to the power of 4. This minus into this minus together becomes plus divided by root over n to the power of 4 plus 1 plus root over n to the power of 4 minus 1. Here n power 4 cancelling out. Here 1 plus 1 is what? 2 here in the numerator. Denominator is root of n to the power of 4 plus 1 plus. कभी भी square root के problem आए तो we have to solve in this way only. Okay. The
जी
power may
sir,
be in our question,
जी
power may be 2, power may be only n, power may be 3, power may be 4, कुछ भी हो सकता power. ठीक है.
जी sir,
This is the way to simplify. Still we are unable to take vn value. So उसके लिए एक और step solve करेंगे. un is equal to 2 divided by under the root only. Under the root only, I want to take n power 4 as a common term. So what is left of? 1 plus 1 by n power 4. Clear? Plus. Plus.
जी sir,
Under the root of, once again, what I am doing, I'll be taking n to the power of 4 common. We are left with 1 minus 1 by n power 4. Clearly? Any doubt?
no
Any
sir.
doubt? No doubt. 2 divided by, and already you know that root means what? What is the meaning of root?
To the power 1 by 2 sir.
Exactly. 4 to the power of 1 by 2 means, what is the answer? Is it n square?
Yes sir.
So what I am doing, I am going to split this root along with n power 4 and along with this one. So after simplification of this step, I am writing the next step. You see what happened. Square and n power 4 like this, it is cancelled. So n square left here. और जो remaining जो term है उसके साथ में root as it is है 1 plus 1 by n power 4. Clear है? Plus
जी
यहाँ से भी square root cancel हो गया. So n square is left off. Then under the square root of 1 minus 1 by n to the power of 4. Right? Right now?
जी sir.
2
Yes sir.
divided by, once again, denominator you see, is it possible to take n square common? Overall,
N square,
I'm
yes sir.
taking n square common. 1 by n power 4 plus n square already out, 1 minus 1 by n power 4. ये ब्रैकेट क्लोज, ये ब्रैकेट क्लोज. अब देखिए यहां तक खाली un हुआ. This part till here is un only. Now we'll move on for choosing the vn value. अब आपके लिए बहुत आसान कर दिया मैं काम. Let us take vn value is equal to, बोलिए क्या हो सकता है? Highest power of n from the numerator, we don't have one. Highest
जी
power
सर
of n
1।
from the denominator is n square. यहाँ पे n का पावर होता नेगेटिव, नेगेटिव नहीं, हाईएस्ट लेना है. इसको
जी
न्यूमरेटर में
सर।
लेके तो n पावर -4 होता ना, हाईएस्ट नहीं होता ना.
जी सर।
ये पूरे टर्म्स में से n स्क्वायर कॉमन आया सो है. तो नाउ मूविंग टू द थर्ड स्टेप. व्हाट इज द थर्ड स्टेप? लिमिट,
थर्ड स्टेप
लिमिट,
अप। यस। लिमिट
लिमिट
n एक्सटेंड्स टू
n
इंफिनिटी।
tends to infinite un by vn value. It means that limit n tending to infinite, n tending to infinite, our un value will be 2 times, ये मैं इसको वो कर दिया, देखिए कट कर दिया. 2 times into the power of 4 within the bracket under the root of 1 plus 1 by n power 4 plus under the root of 1 minus 1 by n to the power of 4, and this bracket will be closed. Multiplied by fraction. Second fraction will become reverse. It becomes n square. और यहाँ पे एक small mistake हो गया. It is not n power 4. It is n square.
ओके सर।
It is also n square. N square is n above पे देखिए. So this n
जी
square,
सर।
this n square will be cancelling out, and simple apply the limit.
ओके।
Apply the limit. What happened? As n tends to infinity, what is left of? 2 divided by root of 1 plus 0 means root of 1 plus root of 1 minus 0 means root of 1. It means that 2 root of 1 is 1. 2 by 2, which is equal to 1,
जी
which is not 0. We are getting a finite value again.
ओके सर।
We are getting a finite value. Finite number भी बोल सकते हैं. Finite value, finite number. So, therefore, we should write the statement of limit comparison test and we can finish this problem. By limit comparison test, summation un and summation vn behave same, or you can also write converges and diverges together. Behave
यस
same,
सर।
but summation vn is equal to how much it is? The value is 1 by n square. It means that if I am comparing with our n
यस
power
सर।
p value, so then we say that p value is equal to 2, which is definitely greater than 1. So by p test, by p test,
पीटर।
what do you say? Summation vn, convergent. वही है ना?
जी सर।
By
जी सर।
p test summation vn convergent. So what do you say? If summation vn convergent, therefore we can also say that by statement summation un also convergent. Summation un convergent, summation un also convergent.
कन्वर्ट।
Therefore, the series of which form? This form, summation root of n to the power of 4 plus 1 minus root of n to the power of 4 minus 1. This is convergent. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका प्रॉब्लम खत्म. अब
जी
आपको
सर।
एग्जाम में क्या कर सकता हूँ, कुछ चेंज करके दे सकता, तो वो मैं आपको हिंट दे रहा हूँ. ये आपका होमवर्क है, आप इसको ट्राई करिए, डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट इट. ऐसा एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है.
इंशाल्लाह।
समेशन अंडर द रूट ऑफ n square plus 1 minus under the root of n square minus 1, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. और there is one more question which is possible, that is root of n plus 1 माइनस रूट ऑफ एन माइनस, ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है। ये दो क्वेश्चंस
जी
को
सर।
आप सेम पैटर्न से ट्राई करिए।
ठीक है सर, ट्राई करता हूँ।
हम्म। डू यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दिस? वी हैव कंप्लीटेड दिस क्वेश्चन। स्टार्टिंग से एक
नो
बार
सर,
देख
ये
लीजिए, शेडो स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ मैं, एक बार देख लीजिए फिर।
जी सर।
मोreover आई विल सेंड द पीडीएफ आल्सो, पीडीएफ भी मैं सेंड करता हूँ, रिकॉर्डिंग में सेंड करता हूँ। अब एक बार फिर भी देख लीजिए।
जी सर।
एंड प्लीज डू नॉट डिपेंड अपॉन दीज पीडीएफ्स। मीन्स आप खाली इसको रख लिए नहीं, उसको फिर से नोटबुक में लिखिए, देन ओनली यू विल
हाँ
गेट द
सर, एक फेयर, जी सर, एक फेयर नोट्स बना रहा हूँ मैं।
कंपल्सरी बनाना। पहला अपना टेस्ट, मैक्सिमम प्रॉब्लम वी डिड, दिस इज कॉल्ड लिमिट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट। वी हैव डन
जी
दिस
सर।
प्रॉब्लम्स, मोस्ट प्रॉब्लम्स वी डिड। आगे के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन में और कुछ क्वेश्चन मिले तो भी और भी मैं कराता हूँ लिमिट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट पे। अभी तक के लिए लिमिट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट इज ओवर। नेक्स्ट
ओके
वी
सर।
हैव टू गो फॉर फर्स्ट टेस्ट इज ओवर ना, लिमिट कंपैरिजन टेस्ट के बाद आता डी एलेम्बर्ट रेशियो टेस्ट। वो भी आज
जी
इंशाल्लाह
सर।
हो जाएगा, दो सेशंस कर रहे हैं ना पर, तो वो भी आज हो जाता
जी
है।
सर, इंशाल्लाह।
ठीक। तब
नो डाउट सर। सर, ये चैप्टर इन्फिनाइट सीरीज में इंटीग्रेशन वगैरह के कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत चाहिए क्या?
इंटीग्रेशन के लिए खाली आपको एक ही इंटीग्रल टेस्ट में एक ही एक जगह यूज होता बस,
ओके सर।
एक ही जगह पे इंटीग्रल टेस्ट में, वो भी इंटीग्रल ए टू बी एफ ऑफ एक्स डी एक्स का एक ही फार्मूला यूज होता बस, बाकी तो कहीं यूज नहीं होता।
जी सर।
ओके ठीक है। तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, ये हाफ एन आवर की क्लास फिर से मैं मीटिंग रीशेड्यूल करके और एक हाफ एन आवर क्लास लेता हूँ, ये हाफ एन आवर हो गया। ठीक है।
जी सर।
राइट।